So I know that you're listening. Your hands are in the air, and I know that you're listening. Jonathan, Keaton, Jeff, our hands are in the air, so I know you're listening. All right, Ethan, all hands are in the air, so I know you're listening. As we're working, like I just said, we're all in different places, and some of us, Clara, Jonathan, are done with our foxes or are almost done with our foxes. So when you are finished with the fox, we're going to start working on our grass. And grass can be tons of different types of green. It can be dark green, light green, bright, dark. Our hands need to be in the air right now so that I know you're listening. We're going to use lines on our grass too. We're going to use straight lines today on our grass. And if you watch me, I'm going to use a light green, and I'm going to start making some straight lines that kind of crisscross. They go at a bit of an angle. Now I'm going to switch to a dark green. And then I'm going to switch over to a little bit of a yellow. And do you see how my colors start to blend together? Yeah. What type of line am I using on my grass again?
Straight.
Straight. They're at a diagonal. And you don't want to blend your grass too hard like we're doing the fur, but you can do it a little bit with your fingers. Now, Holly, I'm going to use yours as an example. Okay. There's a lot of grass. If you look outside right now, is there a space between the ground and the sky?
Yeah.
Is there? No. The ground meets the sky. Look, the blue touches the trees and touches that field outside the window. So there shouldn't be a big white space between our sky and our grass. That's why we drew this line last time. We drew that hill behind our fox. So when you start your grass, Jeff, I expect your grass to fill in all of this paper behind the fox, all the way up to where your skyline is at, okay? I don't want to see just a strip of green here and then a bunch of white. I want to see you fill all of that in. So on my fox, it started to fill in all this space here. I'm going to go around the front and then around the tail to the end of my hill so that it looks like it's real, so that I can see my hill touching the sky, okay? So when you are done doing your zigzags on your fox, you can use different types of greens and yellows to do your lines on your hill.
Okay.
Yes.
Holly, can you pass the crown?
That's a really nice color that you got there, Ethan. Keaton?
Can I color my tree?
Did I use what?
Did you use your finger to rub it?
Yep, you use your finger just like that.
Yeah, but it's not working.
Well, try going up and down instead of side to side.
I can
Try going in this direction. You might have to use some more, or you might have to push a little bit harder. What do you mean it got messed up? Well, honey, you shouldn't be working on your grass yet because we haven't finished our fox. We got to do the fox head and the fox belly and the fox tail. Yeah. All right, Leonardo, you got a lot of grass to fill in, buddy. But I like those lines that you're going on so far. Cool. Do you like it? Me too.
It's okay. Look at mine.
It's very colorful. It makes me wish that springtime was almost here. Ashley, those are very nice zigzags. Do you like doing the blending with your finger?
Yeah.
It does get a little messy. Sometimes art is messy.
Well, kind of.
These are beautiful foxes.